First of all, I would like to pay my high respect to the school principal, my English teacher at the Space School, and all my beloved friends here. Good morning, my name is Korothili Lungmeng. I'm 11 years old. I study grade 6 at the Space School. Today, I'm very happy to be here and speak about the special topic. My topic is about myself and my family. Let me introduce myself. I'm Longmeng. I am 11 years old. I was born in Phnom Penh on 29 January 2013. I am a pupil. I go to school. I am in the sixth form. I am fond of art. I like to be a painter. Art is my favorite lesson. I started painting when I was 5. First, my father taught me drawing. Then, I joined the art school. Now, I take painting lessons for time a week. Every time my parents I travel. We visit different museums. We enjoy looking at wonderful painting. When we go to the country, I always paint very beautiful landscape. I want to tell you about my family. My family is small. We are a family of 3. My mother, my father, and me. My parents have been married for 14 years. They are real friends. Their name are David and Anne. David and Anne. They are very. My parents are doctors. They are very experienced doctors. They are very busy, but they like their job very much. My parents are fond of traveling. We always travel together. I love my parents. Thank you for watching and listening.